Ever feel like your English gets stuck in your throat? Like the words are there, but they just don't come out sounding like you? Maybe you hesitate before speaking in meetings, or dread making phone calls in English, or even feel a little shy ordering coffee. You've studied grammar, you know tons of vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, something feels off. You're not alone. Millions of English learners around the world feel this way. It's like there's a gap between the English you know and the English you actually speak. But what if I told you closing that gap, unlocking your truly confident English speaking voice, might be way simpler than you think? For years, we've been told that sounding natural and confident in English takes years of living abroad, or expensive one-on-one tutors, or just some kind of natural talent. That's just not true. While those things can help, the biggest blockers are often much more basic, and thankfully, much easier to fix. Think about it. You learned to ride a bike, right? You didn't just know how. You practiced, you wobbled, maybe you even fell. Speaking English confidently is the same. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned and improved with the right approach. The real problem? Most traditional methods focus heavily on passive learning, reading, listening, memorizing rules. They don't give you enough active practice actually using the language, and specifically, training your mouth and mind to produce clear, confident English. And this lack of speaking confidence can hold you back in so many ways. It can make networking, events feel awkward, prevent you from sharing your brilliant ideas at work, or even make it harder to build real connections with English speakers. You have amazing things to say, but the hesitation keeps them bottled up. But imagine this instead. Imagine stepping into any conversation, anywhere in the world, and speaking English clearly, naturally, and with total confidence. Your ideas flow freely, people understand you easily, and you feel completely comfortable expressing yourself. That's not some distant dream. That's absolutely achievable. The key isn't more grammar rules or vocabulary lists. The key is a shift in how you practice. It's about moving from knowing English to using English confidently. And the fastest way to make that shift is by focusing on these three often overlooked areas. First, foundational sounds. English has sounds that might not exist in your native language. If you're not intentionally practicing these, you'll always feel like you have an accent that makes you hard to understand. We're talking about mastering those tricky vowels and consonants that make a huge difference in clarity. Second, flow and rhythm. English has its own musicality, the stress, the intonation, how words connect. When you nail the flow, you don't just speak correctly, you speak naturally. It's what makes a native speaker sound like a native speaker, even with simple sentences. And third, the confident mindset. This is huge. Speaking English isn't just about your mouth, it's about your mind. Overcoming the fear of making mistakes, embracing your unique voice, and building the courage to just speak. So, how do you make this shift? How do you quickly build confidence by focusing on these key areas? We've developed something we call the 7-Day English Speaking Accelerator. It's a power-packed, step-by-step program designed to give you a massive leap in speaking confidence in just 1 week. No endless drills, no boring lectures, just focused, effective practice that gets results. Each day for 7 days, you get a short, impactful module focusing on a critical aspect of confident speaking. From mastering those tricky sounds with targeted exercises, to practicing natural English rhythm with engaging audio, to building that crucial fearless mindset with simple but powerful techniques. You'll get daily video lessons that are clear and concise, interactive exercises that help you immediately apply what you learn, and guided practice sessions where you'll actually speak English out loud in a supportive structure. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. It's about building momentum and proving to yourself how quickly you can improve when you practice the right things. Imagine how different you'll feel after just 7 days of focused practice. More confident in conversations, less hesitation, a clearer and more natural-sounding voice. Ready to finally unlock your confident English speaking voice? You might be thinking, can I really make a difference in just 7 days? We are so confident in this program that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you go through the 7 days and don't feel a significant boost in your speaking confidence, simply email us and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. The only risk is not trying. Stop letting hesitation hold you back. You're confident. English Speaking Voice is waiting. Join the 7-day English Speaking Accelerator today and start speaking English not just correctly, but confidently and naturally. Click the link below. I can't wait to see you inside. See you there!